The sound of our ancestors. The best sound of all is the rhythm of our ancestors. Listen closely to the happy noise inside. Our people are working the quick shh of leaves woven into baskets. Snap a leaf, watch out for the Tina's legendary side-eye. It's the tap 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 for siapo and the gritty sound of stones mashing cocoa beans. That grinding promises a rich, dark cup of cocoa Samoa, the true taste of our islands.
In their corner, the Tamama of respected men, relax. The quiet gurgle of lava is pulled. It helps them focus on the games. It's the quick clack of pieces and move, followed by the loser who claims the board, or the loud shouts during bingo. The only time you'll see Grandpa forget his bad knees and jump 3 feet in the air. Sometimes, all noise stops and the powerful voices of our ancestors ride and song, echoing across the village. When we listen, we hear the fun, joy, and united spirit of Samoa. Usilau sila sila, malau mai moa.